Seeking information on the current top-performing 60% keyboards? Uncover our list of 6 honorable mentions, thoughtfully arranged based on criteria such as price, performance, and battery life. The video doesn't disclose the order, so stay tuned for a complete overview. Refer to the description for the latest information and prices. KINESIS Gaming TKO. If you are considering the 60% form factor primarily for ergonomics, the Kinesis TKO takes ergonomic customization to another level. 60% keyboards generally offer ergonomic comfort for gaming by making it easier to tilt your keyboard, minimizing wrist movement. The Kinesis doubles down on ergonomic control by including not 2, but 4 feet underneath the case, which allows you to reverse tilt or tent your keyboard by elevating the left or right side. Another standout feature of the Kinesis TKO is its split spacebar. While you can use a traditional spacebar, the TKO includes 3 smaller spacebars, all of which can be programmed to enter different inputs. Aesthetics-wide, this keyboard is flashy, with customizable backlit keys, as well as bar lighting accenting each side of the keyboard. While the lighting is fun, the real selling point of the Kinesis TKO is its ergonomic angling options. FNATIC Streak 65. The exceptionally compact design enables you to optimize your desk and mouse space while retaining arrow keys and full functionality. All standard keyboard actions are accessible through an intelligent FN layer, featuring 8+ easily activated instant lighting modes supporting 16.8 million color options, all conveniently stored on board. The custom low-profile keycaps enhance lighting performance, and the OP software facilitates effortless customizations. With linear and silent ultra-fast switches boasting a mere 1.0mm actuation distance and reduced total travel, this keyboard ensures faster multi-presses and significantly improved hand ergonomics. Store up to 4 profiles to preserve your custom lighting modes, key bindings, and macros. Opt for customization with or without the software, saving directly to the keyboard. FNATIC stands as a leader in the professional esports arena, with our professional gamers clinching victory in thousands of tournaments across 20 different games, including League of Legends, Dota 2, Rainbow Six Siege, and also CS:GO. We craft our premium gaming gear with our pros' insights, guaranteeing the utmost quality for your gaming experience. ASUS ROG Falchion. The ASUS ROG Falchion Wireless 65% mechanical gaming keyboard is the perfect choice for a streamlined gaming and working keyboard. The keyboard features an ultra-compact 68-key layout, incorporating arrow and navigation keys and a premium gaming experience thanks to its ergonomics. It also features gaming grades 1ms at 2.4 GHz RF and up to 400 hours of battery life with RGB lighting off, making it great for long gaming sessions. The innovative keyboard cover case provides on-the-go protection, while the German-made Cherry MX RGB mechanical switches offer precision input with tactile feedback. All these features make it a great choice for gamers and professionals alike. When you store it, the included wireless dongle slots magnetically into a convenient slot at the top of the keyboard, making it great for travel. In exchange for a slightly larger size, the ASUS ROG Falchion makes for a great gaming device with its connectivity options, 65% layout with arrows, volume slider, and strong software customization. ROCCAT Vulcan II Max. The ROCCAT Vulcan II Max is designed to dazzle use. This full-size wired keyboards not only feature bright per-key RGB lighting, which is on maximum displays thanks to the keyboard's flat, shallow keycaps, 24 of its switches also have dual LED. The Vulcan II Max come with a detachable silicone's wrist rests that serves as an conduit for the keyboard's lighting and features dedicated media keys and a clickable volume knob. This is an attractive, unique-looking keyboard without lighting. It has a slim, lightweight chassis with a aluminum alloys top plate and flat, chiclety keycap that expose the switches entirely. The keyboard has 24 pre-programmed multifunctions, smart dual LED key, which lights up to indicate secondary keybinds and can also change color to displays real-time info, such as headset or mouse battery lives. The keyboard features ROCCAT's IMO lighting experiences, which is an intelligent lighting systems that interact with and reacts to the users. It's definitely a dazzling alternative to the typical Spectrum cyclings, and it's even more dazzling when paired with the Vulcan II Max translucent wrist rests. If you are looking for an hypnotizing light show, look no further. The Vulcan II Max come in both black and white colorway, with ROCCAT's Titan II optical switch in red or brown. If you're looking to save desk space, there's also the 65% Vulcan II Mini. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini. Ultra-compact keyboard aren't for everyone, but if you have limited desk space or you're looking for a gaming keyboard that's travel-friendly, and 60% keyboard can be a godsend. You will have to give up an lot number pad, navigation keys, functions key, and even arrow keys, but you'll barely notice these sacrifice with the right keyboards. The Apex Pro Mini Wireless is in sleek, sturdily built 60% keyboards featuring SteelSeries OmniPoint 2.0 switches, which feature adjustable and dual actuation. Because it's so small, the Apex Pro Mini Wireless has a slew of default secondary keybind, which are printed on the side of the keycap and activated using SteelSeries SS function key. Almost every key can be remapped. First and secondary keybinds have its actuation point adjusted and have its RGB set individually. If you don't need all of these features and you'd like to spend a little less, try the SteelSeries Apex 9 series, which has adjustable actuation and hot swappable switches and comes in both Mini and TKO layouts. MageGee Portable. The MageGee Portable 60% mechanical gaming keyboard, MK box LED backlit, compact 68 keys, mini wired office keyboard with red switch for Windows laptop PC Mac, black gray. This compact keyboard not only saves space, but also features a separate arrow keys and all the F keys you need. It's the perfect solution for those who want a mini keyboard without sacrificing functionality. The MageGee Portable 60% mechanical gaming keyboard, also known as the MK box, is a compact and portable keyboard designed for gaming and office use. With its mini layout and 68 keys, it provides a cute and small size while still offering all the essential keys you need. The MK box keyboard is specifically designed to save space while providing optimal functionality. Its mini portable 60% compact layout means it takes up less desk space compared to full-sized keyboards. These switches are characterized by their smooth and linear action, providing a seamless typing experience. With minimal resistance and no tactile bump feel, the keys are effortless to press and register accurately. The MK box keyboard features a classic blue LED backlight that adds a touch of style to your gaming setup or office desk. The LED backlight can be customized with multiple illuminated light effects, offering about 15 backlight modes to suit your preferences. Its compact size, smooth red switches, customizable LED backlight, full anti-ghosting capabilities, and wide compatibility make it attractive options for gamers and professionals alike. While it may not have all the features of a full-sized keyboard, its space-saving design and efficient layout make it a compelling choice. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.